What's up, guys? Just out in the shop working on the Dodge, building some cab mounts for it. So here's my mounts. Here's an example. There's the side pieces. There's the top plate. So the cab mount is going to go in like that. And then I'll have the two sides that are going to go to the frame. I just drew these out with some hard stock cardboard. And then we got them cut out. Tony cut them out for us. And now we're going to do some prep. So I'll show you how they go together. Basically, I'm just going to use this 2x4 to support it. Mount's going to go up here. I got alignment marks to the side, and basically it's going to kind of piece together like that. Tack it in place. Going to curve the ends. Probably just use the vise to do that, and tack it, fit it to the frame, and then we'll fit the cab, finalize the mounts, pull the cab, and then burn in all the welds after the fact. So yeah, let's get to it. Now I'm sure there's way better ways to actually do these bends. For example, like actually using a bender or a press, something like that. But I don't have that. So I have a vise and a hammer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark kind of that end of the bend, or sorry, the beginning of the bend where the mounts are to the top plate. And I'm going to use that as a reference point so that I can set up that same location on my vise when I clamp this thing in there. And I'm just going to use a swing press, BFH, to bend this thing. I could heat it up as well, but I don't have oxyacetylene. I have some MAP gas, so depending on how ignorant this is going to be, this is 3/16 plate. I might heat this up. Regardless, we're going to try and cold bend this thing with the big hammer. So let's see. Okay, well, got the material prepped. I'm going to see how setting this up in my fixture here is. I got the centers, the alignment marks, all that stuff is ready to go. So for now, I'm just going to tack everything in place. So there's my fed up, there's my center, all right, there's the bends. So yeah, I'm just going to tack this now. I'm going to give it some tacks. And then I'll do the other three, get those kind of squared up, and then we'll fit them to the frame, fit the cab mounts, and see how they go. So there we are. Got the pieces welded together, and then just kind of buzzed it real quick with the flap wheel just to smooth it, make it look more kind of nice. There we go. So just got to do 3 more, and then we can fit these to the frame.